What are y'all learning?
Can someone hand me the shakes?
What are you learning, buddy? What you learning? What are you learning today? What you gotta do?
Oh, do you want to get out here using the tape?
Are y'all doing a little project?
Okay.
So what y'all doing?
I'm braiding her hair.
You braiding her? Okay.
Picture
What are you doing?
I'm building a picture frame.
Building a picture frame.
I wish I could make this.
What you got going?
I'm trying to make something.
What's this class about, Carrie?
It's all about crafting.
Crafting? Alright.
Making things, using our imagination.
Are you gonna fill it up?
Can I braid her hair tomorrow?
No, just braid it.
I know, but
What's up, buddy? Are y'all enjoying it?
Crafting